Welcome to Papa Za's Kitchen.
Quickies.
These videos are quickies, but some of these recipes can take a bit of time and a little love. Like, subscribe, and ring that bell.
Peel potatoes. Slice potatoes into medium cut fries. Place sliced potatoes into large bowl. Soak potatoes in cold water for 30 minutes. Strain potatoes over the sink and rinse them well. Lay down a towel. Pour out your potatoes. Dry them off. Roll them up on parchment paper lined baking pan. Lay them out. Oil, salt, and pepper. Mix them up. Bake at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 30 minutes. Flip. Bake an additional 30 minutes.
Thanks for watching Papa Za's Kitchen Quickies. Make this dish on its own or put it on a pizza. Check the link below. Like, subscribe, and ring that bell for more.